Hi my dear students, welcome to the online classes. First of all, good evening to everybody. Now, today discuss about that application of trigonometry part 3. So, in this session discuss about that 4 marks questions. 4 marks questions. So, part 1 I have completed that basic of application of trigonometry. Part 2 I have completed 2 marks questions. In part 3 application of trigonometry, discuss about that 4 marks questions. First, before I will discuss about 2 marks question, after remaining 4 questions are discussed about. So, please okay guys, the topic name application of trigonometry part 3. So first we will discuss about two marks question in the adjacent figure like this. This 5 centimeters AB, C, this is 6 centimeters, this 30 degrees, okay. AC is equal to 6 centimeters, AB is equal to 5 centimeters, angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees. Find the area of the triangle. Guys, this question is in our textbook. In adjacent figure, that means here given the one figure. So, some represent its values. AC is equal to 6 centimeters, AB is equal to 5 centimeters, angle BAC is a 30 degrees, it is a acute angle. Guys, you find out the area of the triangle. What is the general formula of area of the triangle? Of into base into height. So, AC you have considered the base, height just you draw the one line from B. This line intersect AC at a point, that point is D. So, in this line, this is a perpendicular up to the base, it's make that 90 degrees angle. Guys, now you find out this height BD. Why you find out the BD? You know that area of the triangle formula, triangle ABC, of into base into height. So, base already you know that, height is unknown. First you find out that unknown. How? So, when you draw the perpendicular to the base, definitely it's make the right angle triangle. Now, first I take that new right angle triangle, that's name ABD. This makes the 30 degrees, this is 5 centimeters, this H centimeters. So, what is the relation between the H and 5? You observe that it is a consider that 30 degrees, it is opposite. This one is a hypotenuse. So, opposite the hypotenuse, it is a sine theta. Sine theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay guys, so sine theta value is given from the figure, that is 30 degrees. I write in here sine 30. Sine 30 opposite name BD. and this name AB, hypotenuse name is AB. Now you know that sine 30 degrees, once remember that technique, hand technique. This is a 0, 30. 30 below, how many fingers are there? Only one finger is below. So you know the formula, root of number of fingers below by upon 2. So root of 1 by 2. Under root 1 value is equal to 1. 1 by 2 you note down. So sine 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Guys, so sine 30 degrees place you write the 1 by 2. BD is equal to H, AB is equal to 5, cross multiplication. So finally, therefore H is equal to 2H is equal to 5 ones are 5. That means H is equal to 5 by 2. This is how many times cancelled? 2.5 centimeters. So height is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Sum is not over. What you find out? Area of the triangle you find out. So what is the area of the triangle formula? Of base into height. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to of into base into height. Okay guys, of into base. See this one from this figure, base is considered that AC. You write that name. Height is you consider that BD. So of into AC value how much is there? 6. BD value just you have find out, that's value get the 2.5. Now this value simplification, this 2 is cancelled 3 times, 3 into 2.5, it's become 7.5 centimeters square, its area. So the sum is bus. Okay, now we'll discuss about that 4 marks questions. I write that one question on the blackboard. Right. Very important question, this question. Two men on either side of a temple of 30 meters height observe its tip is top at angle of elevation 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the distance between the two men. Okay guys, so first listen, it's very important topic, very important. This is a according to public oriented 4 marks question. Guys, two men on either side of temple, that height is 30 meters. So the observe its top of the angle of elevation 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Guys, first your imagination. So one temple is there, 2 persons are there. The 2 persons are either side of the temple. What's that mean? Suppose this is a temple. This side one person is there, that side another person is there. So the 2 persons are see the temple top. The 2 persons are make angle 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. So the height of the tower is also, temple is there. The temple height is here, the 30 degrees, 30 meters. So this height is 30 meters. Now you find out the distance between the two men's. The two men's distance you find out. Okay guys, first I draw the one neatly diagram. You observe that's one. So already I informed that one. All the objects such as towers, temples, mountains, ships shall you as a linear mathematics conventions. Just you draw the temple, that is you draw the line diagram. Yes, it is a temple. Your imagination. This name is A, the B. Guys, this A is top of the temple, B is foot of the temple. Is it clear? What is the meaning of AB? AB is a height of the temple. Already clearly given, the temple of height is 30 meters. So that is represent 30 meters height. So two persons are there on the ground like this. One person P1 first person, P2 second person. So first person to see the top, so it's form of the angle of elevation. It's make the angle is equal to 30 degrees. Either side one more person is there, that persons also see the top of the temple. That person make the angle 60 degrees. Now you find out the distance between P1 and P2. This one distance you find out, that's one I say D. So the distance between the two persons P1 and P2. Guys, first I take this distance B and P1 distance, I take that x meters. Next one I take this distance y meters. So step to step you find out, first x meters, next y meters. After should be add x plus y, you get that distance between these two persons. Okay, first I draw the neatly diagram from represent of the data and is mark it in this one. So first you write that one from the figure, AB. So what you consider, AB is a height of the temple. That's one you write now, height of the temple. That is equal to, simply say h is equal to 30 meters. P1 and P2 are observers, two persons. P1 is one first person, P2 is a second person. Let BP1 is equal to x meters and BP2 is equal to y meters. But you want the distance between the two persons, that's one simply write y plus x. Here its form of angle of elevations, one side is angle AP1B is equal to 30 degrees, another side AP2B is equal to 60 degrees. Okay guys, now last but one step, you know this value, this known, it is unknown, this is acute angle. Three measures are relation, its form of the triangle ratios. So in this triangle ratios, 30 degrees opposite, this one is say opposite side according to the 30 degrees. This x is base, so according to 30 degrees, its one is called ascent side. Okay guys, now first you shall take that ABP1 triangle. I write here, that's one in triangle ABP1, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Immediately apply that tan formula. Why you apply the tan formula? It's form of the opposite and ascent side relation. So you know that tan theta is equal to AB by opposite by ascent side. Guys, tan in this triangle, the theta value here 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side name AB and ascent side name BP1. Guys, tan 30 degrees, don't forget tan 30, tan 60, tan 45. Once remember that's values quickly. Tan 0 degrees value is equal to 0. Tan 30 degrees value is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degrees value 1. Tan 60 degrees value root 3. Tan 90 degrees value infinity. So here you want tan 30 degrees value. So that's one you write, you know that tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Put in the box. This value keep here. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB from the figure 30 and BP1, that's one x. So here one equation form, this LHS side one fraction is there and RHS side is another fraction is there. Now you are operating one operation, that is a cross multiplication. So 1 into x is equal to 30 root 3 meters. This is a distance between B and P1. This is the distance between B and P1 is 30 root 3 meters. Okay guys, next one, I take other sides one triangle. Other sides one right angle triangle is formed. That's one I write, that's name triangle ABP2, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now see, according to the 60 degrees, this is called opposite side. According to 60 degrees, this one side is called ascent side. These are all basic points. So this is a opposite side, this one is a ascent side. So this combination immediately to find out that appropriate the trigonometric ratio, that is a tan. So I write that tan theta is equal to opposite by ascent. Guys, tan here, that's value is equal to 60 degrees. Tan 60 degree equal to opposite name AB, ascent side name Y. Already you know that tan 60 degrees value, you know that tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. That's value I can write here only. Root 3 equal to AB means that is the 30 centimeters, 30 meters by this value Y. Generally the root 3 upon 1. So in the LHS part one fraction is there, RHS part one more fraction is there. So immediately you operating one operation, that is a cross multiplication. Root 3y is equal to 30. Therefore y is equal to 30 by root 3 meters. Guys, suppose this one equation 1, this is a equation 2. X is a equation 1, y is a equation 2. Guys, sum is not over. In this part you have understand? Okay, is it clear? Okay. Now see, last and final step, you find out the distance between the two persons. That's one, simply you represent P dash P1 P2. So therefore distance between two men, that simply P1 P2 equal to x plus y. See the diagram, this person distance put of the temple is PB1, that's this side distance BP2, that simply you write x and y, so x plus y. So from equation 1, what is the x value? 30 root 3. Plus from equation 2, what is the y value? 30 by root 3. Okay guys, generally here upon 1 is there. So first you should find out that LCM 1 into root 3, root 3. This 1 how many times is cancelled? Root 3 times. So 30 into root 3 of root 3 plus root 3 is same it. This stays same it. So it is opposed 1. That's one I write 30 into 1. 30 into root 3 means 3 plus 30 by root 3. So here 90 plus 30 by root 3. Guys, these denominators, two numbers are there, and here under the addition should be add those two numbers, 90 plus 30, 120. So 120 by root 3 meters. Wait guys, but here upon one number is there, that's the root number. Simply you apply that rationalization factor. Already you know in the 9th class standard, that's 120 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Okay, so 120 root 3 by root a into root a, root a into root a is equal to a. Root a into root a is equal to a. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 40 root 3 meters. Sum is over. If you know that the root 3 value in the 9th class standard, root 2 value, root 3 value, root 5 value is there. Suppose you have taken the root 2 value is equal to 1.732. 1.732. That means 40 into 1.732. Here 41 0 is there. That means this decimal is move to right side. 4 into 17.32. This 4 is multiplication. 4 2s are 8. 1 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. 1 4 7s are 28, 29, 2. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. 2 numbers, 1 decimal. This is a meters. Okay, the distance between the two men's is the 69.38 meters. Yes, this is very important question. One more question now I do it. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road from a person, from a point on the other side, directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the tower of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower, the height of TV tower, and the width of the road. Guys, please, it's very important question. That is a 4 marks question. The question is very long, but answer is very smooth. A TV stand vertically on the side of the road. Just imagination, one stand is there, one TV tower is there. The TV tower stand vertically on the side of the road. From a point of other side directly opposite the tower. Just imagination. Suppose one road is there, and that side one tower is there. Vertically stands one. So in that opposite, see that from a point on other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees in the first case. The second one, from another point 10 meters away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. Find the height of the tower and width of the road you find out. Guys, please see, first you draw the one right angle triangle, but see AB here you consider that height of the TV tower. This is the top of the TV tower, this is the foot of the TV tower. That's important point. So this height of the TV tower you have to take it, that's a H. Height of the tower you have to take it, that is a H. So from a point on the side directly opposite to the tower. So this tower directly opposite is this is a ground level. You have selected one point, that point is P. This point make the angle with top of the tower, angle of elevation, that's value is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. And from another point 10 meters away from this point, you know that's understand that's mean? Once again, from another point 10 meters away from the point on the line joining. So in P point is fixed. Again you identification one more point on the same line, but the point is from P is 10 meters distance. So that means I write that one more point on the same line segment. This is a 10 meters. The distance means QP is 10 meters. That point again, to see the top of the TV tower, that point make an angle of elevation that is 30 degrees. Now PB is indicator of the road. So that's when you say X. I want height of the TV tower and width of the road. I want TV tower and width of the road. This one is a road. X means road. Now see guys, first I write that some points from the figure. Guys, you observe actually in this case two right angle triangles. One is a ABP, one right angle triangle. Another one is a ABQ, that's another right angle triangle. First you take it that one right angle triangle ABP. In this case H unknown, X unknown, but only one known unknown value, that is 60 degrees angle. So what is the relation between the H and X from 60 degrees? The opposite by SN side. So that's why I take it that tan theta is equal to opposite side by SN side. Tan 60 degrees is equal to H by X. It's form one of the relation, that is X. That is equation 1. Okay, first you do that part. After remaining part, I will explain next. Now, first I write that from figure. What is the meaning of AB? That is a height of TV tower. Height of TV tower. Here see, a TV tower stands vertically. So, height of TV tower. That is a H. Next one, P is first person. P and Q are the 2 points. The first point is a P, second point is Q. So PB is equal to road, length, width of the road. Width of the road. That is equal to X meters, say. Next one, angle of APB is equal to 60 degrees. Angle AQB is equal to 30 degrees. Now you find the width of the tower and the height of the TV tower. The both are you find out, the sum is over. Now first I take that one triangle, that triangle name ABP. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. See, ABP, in this case angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So I apply the tan theta formula, that is the opposite by SN side. Why? Why? Because this is the unknown, you find out the this value, you find out this value. So should be find out the relation of the both. That's why I take that tan theta. Is it clear? So tan theta value in this case, angle APB is equal to 60 degrees. That's why I write this place 60 degrees. That's name, opposite name AB, SN side name PB. You know that tan 60 degrees value, tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. This value put here, root 3 is equal to H by X. H by X. This X is a divisible this side, send that side. Therefore, H is equal to root 3x, put in the box. This is the equation 1. Next one, second diagram. you take it the second one, that's name in triangle ABQ, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Again you take it the tan theta opposite side by hypotenuse. Here theta means in second one, theta value is equal to 30 degrees. So tan 30 is equal to opposite side name AB, and inside side name BQ. So AB by BQ. Guys, tan 30 degrees is equal to AB value H. From the figure BQ you can write QP plus PB. Tan 30 degrees value you know that 1 by root 3 is equal to H by this value is equal to 10 plus PB value is equal to X. According to this sum, QP value is there, the QP is equal to 10 meters high. PB you say X. So 10 plus X. Now guys, you are apply that cross multiplication method. H root 3 is equal to 10 plus X. From equation 1, H value root 3x. So H plus you write that root 3x of root 3 is equal to 10 plus x since from 1. So root 3 into root 3, 3x is equal to 10 plus x. This x this side, so 3x minus x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10, therefore x is equal to 10 by 2, x is equal to 5 meters. What is the meaning of the 5? It is the width of the road. Therefore, finally, I write here width of the road x is equal to 5 meters. Wait guys, sum is not over. You find out the height of the tower. This width x values substitution in this equation 1. So x is equal to 5 meters put in equation 1. What is the equation 1? H is equal to root 3x, root 3 of 5. So 5 root 3 meters. Therefore, the height of the TV tower is equal to 5 root 3 meters. Okay guys, this sum is very very important and most IMP. So the sum is you find out the height of the TV tower and the width of the road is finished. So guys, remind sum you are prepared at home. Next class I will discuss about the one more new topic. The topic name is a pair of linear equation in paper 1. Okay guys, thank you for watching.